Hello guys, in this video I'll be showing you guys how to buy cryptocurrency in Nigeria with your credit card from the crypto.com app. You click on trade and buy, you select your preferred cryptocurrency, and I will be buying Theta. So you input the amount 190 USDT and you click on buy and you confirm here, click on continue. This is just a confirmation of what you're about to do. You input your password and you wait for it to process. In my own case, I already logged in the details of my credit card saved from the app. This is the payment gateway and I'm using my Zenith Bank, so I request for a one-time password here. So one-time password will be delivered to me. This is it. After inputting it down, you click on submit, then you wait for the transaction to process, and it's very simple because it doesn't take time. You can't do this in less than a minute. So the transaction is processing. Zenith Bank just debited me and voila, I just purchased 190 USDT. So I refresh the app and this is it guys. So it's very simple. So I'll be showing you how to transfer the 190 USDT to another external wallet. So first of all, you click on your account. So I'll be transferring to my Binance account. You click on transfer, you click on withdrawal, you click on crypto, then external wallet. I already saved my external wallet in the crypto.com app. This is my address here, my Binance address. So you input the amount you want to transfer to the external wallet. So you can also click on max here to click to transfer all. So I'll be transferring the 190. You can also add a note here for your transaction. That's it. You click on withdraw, you confirm it here and you put your passcode. That's it guys. If you like this video, let me know in the comment section which other video should I do, and yeah, that's it. After refreshing, it's gone. And yeah, share this video and you can also use my link in the description and you also get to win some cool USDT. See you guys in the next one. Peace.